AcePhysics.org, Math and Physics Tutoring with Dr. Hudis. I recently visited Harvard and MIT, quizzing several students with a series of conceptual physics questions. I offered $5 each for correct answers with questions of varying difficulty. In this video, I pose a fascinating question. Does 1 cubic meter of air at standard temperature and pressure weigh more or less on a humid day compared to a dry day? Recall, a humid day is when there's more water in the air. The answer is dry air weighs more. First, you should know that air is approximately 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. On a humid day, there's more water in the air. And on a humid day, the air weighs less, and that's because a water molecule weighs less than a nitrogen or an oxygen molecule, which is N2 or O2. In this video, we're delving into the intriguing mystery of why dry air carries more weight than wet air. If this topic piques your curiosity, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you find this content interesting, a simple like and subscribe to my channel would mean a lot. Currently, my physics channel boasts a mere 12 subscribers, and 5 of them are my close friends. Please help me change that.
Oh, they're both at standard temperature and pressure.
Same temperature, same pressure, same volume. PV equals nRT.
And my first intuition said the wet air is heavier, but I think I'll go with they're the same weight.
Physics questions. Yeah, it's not a riddle.
It has the same mass?
Well, they're at No, they don't have. The question is which one has more mass, which one weighs more. If it's humid out and you took 1 meter cubed of air, so you take this air right here, whatever a cubic meter is, and you weigh it, and it's humid out. Now let's say it's on a dry day, so it's not humid. You take the same volume of air. Which one of those volumes weighs more, or do they weigh the same? But I'll tell you they don't weigh the same, so,
Okay.
all right.
It's the wet one.
Why do you think it's the wet one? You can
We said we think it's the wet one because it's more dense.
Actually, I think that it's with the more humid, air will weight more because the gravitational forces and mass depends on the humidity, because like more humidity, like more humid air is, the more mass is.
The more, okay.
No?
And if you want to think about it, that's fine too.
Wet air?
Wet air. Real quickly, what's your name?
Skanda?
And do you study physics here?
Yeah.
Are you a graduate student, a postdoc?
Graduate student.
Graduate student. Okay. Awesome.
It's less, or sorry, increasing the density of water in the air. Yeah, for the same number of particles, it probably, I mean, roughly the same number of particles. I would guess that it weighs less
What weighs less?
if it's humid.
Yes. Yes. Makes sense. Got a physicist here. And why? Yes, you know the reason why. Can you explain why?
Yeah, I would say because, I mean, a molecule of air, the number of particles in the air in that cubic meter would probably say roughly the same.
Yes.
The particles generally are going to be either water molecules or nitrogen molecules. Nitrogen N2 is going to be 28. What is it, U?
That's what we're looking for.
16.
Perfect.
I don't see when it's humid.
Okay, a lot of people have said that. That's not the right answer. Why did you say that? You can change your answer. If
Right.
you can come up with reasoning, you can still get it correct.
Okay, so
It's the same temperature, pressure, and volume.
Yes.
You may want to think PV
so
equals
20,
nRT.
it's like 22.4 moles per liter of any
Okay.
gas.
Yes.
So I forgot. I just I forgot that like water vapor is a gas. I guess.
Okay.
I just thought of liquid for some reason.
So
I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, we're going with wet air.
okay, so why don't you say, first of all, I heard your reasoning,
Okay.
and it was good.
Good, not great.
No, it was very good. your answer to this question, unfortunately, is wrong. But everything why don't you say everything you said because it was really good. Well, you
Okay.
you were the one who kind of was saying it. You had the
Okay.
same temperature, the same pressure,
Yeah.
and so then that leads to the same number of moles. That's what you just said.
Yeah.
But if there's the same number of particles, the answer is water weighs less than N2 or O2.
Oh, you're
And so-
right. You're
but
right.
everything you said was great.
You're
We're at the same like temperature and pressure.
Yes.
Then there's like and we have the same volume.
Yes.
There's a fixed number of like moles.
This is right.
And so like the normal air or whatever is like oxygen, nitrogen, crap. But like if you have water in it, you have hydrogen there as well. So that means like the one with just oxygen and nitrogen is atomic mass.
That is the right answer. That is absolutely the right answer. Good job. Very good. Volume weighs more. Dry. The dry weighs more. Correct. Why is that?
Colder, right? Dry, hotter.
It's interesting. It's the same volume,
Yeah.
the same temperature, the same pressure.
Okay. I feel like humid is the intuitive answer. I'm gonna go with humid.
Humid?
Yeah.
Do you have any? Okay, it's not humid.